The population of County Kildare has grown massively over the past century, with the 1926 census showing an increase of 327% in the county, while counties Leitrim, Mayo and Roscommon saw decreases in their population sizes. The census from 1926 has been made available for the first time online, with the National Archives saying there have been more than 20 million views of the site. Diane Connor has been looking at the data published today.
The census of 1926 gives incredible insight into life in Ireland a century ago and how it compares with now. The Central Statistics Office has published data looking at employment, life expectancy and population by comparing the first census carried out by the Irish Free State with our most recent census of 2022. The population of Ireland in 1926 was almost 3 million. It increased by 73% to just over 5 million in 2022. Dublin went from having a 17% share of the population a century ago to 28%. The largest population growth by far was in Kildare, where the population increased by 327% over the past century. It was followed by Meath and then Dublin. Life expectancy has also risen dramatically. In 1926, a man was expected to live to 57 and a woman to 58, while in 2022, life expectancy is up to our 80s. There's also a much larger and more diversified workforce now. There were 1.3 million people working back then, 3/4 of them were men, while in 2022, there were 2.3 million. With the gender divide much closer. What people did for a living has also changed significantly.
So in 1926 we saw 10,800 horse vehicle drivers, over 1,000 coopers, which are those cask makers for Guinness and for whiskey, and 211 chimney sweeps, one of which was a woman.
If anyone wants to research their own family in the census, they can do so on the National Archives website or the CSO. You may have to check different variations of the spellings of names in some cases.